Hey humans, I want to share with you guys the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless. It came out late last year in November, but it still remains one of the top wireless earphones to date. It provides easy access touch controls on each earpiece that I'll walk you guys through, but the sound quality still remains pretty spectacular. Let me go ahead and show you guys what's in the box. You got your headphones up top. This little gray box is the portable charging case. Got right side, left side. In this, you've got the USB charging cable. You've got ear tips in extra small, small, and this one is large. So I'm gonna safely assume that the medium ones are on the headphones. And then you just have some literature. So the design on these earpieces feature matte black on the overall body and displays the sleek Sennheiser S logo along the metallic end caps that feature the intuitive touch control. There are mic holes built on both sides of the earpieces, and that's for voice pickup and transparent hearing, as well as multicolored LED indicators. And I'll show you on both of them. And these will show you Bluetooth pairing, which once set up, auto pair incredibly quick. You'll notice details like the gold plated connectors and magnetism that allows the earpieces to fall perfectly back into place in the charging case. The charging case, like the headphones, feel really high quality. I'll show you on the back. There's an insert for the USB charger. This button shows you how much power you have left. It's orange because the battery's a little bit low. Overall, these earphones are durable and lightweight, and the solid IPX4 build just means that it can handle sweat if you decide to incorporate these as your daily workout gear. Now I just popped these guys on, and I'm going to show you on my phone, since I'm already connected, how to maneuver the touch controls on the left and the right ear side. So let's go ahead and play music with one tap on the left. Cool. Let's go ahead and pause. Just one tap again. This is also the same way you would accept and end calls. Now to play the next song, let's tap twice, left ear. And to play back a song, it's also on the left ear, but 3 times. Now to increase volume, you want to tap and hold on the right ear, and tap and hold until you like the volume, because otherwise it'll go all the way up. On the left ear, tap and hold to decrease volume until it's as low as you like, because like I said, otherwise it'll go all the way down. So to activate voice assistant, you want to just tap on the right ear, and then to end, tap it one more time. What's cool is, let's go ahead and have the music play one more time. So as the music's playing, when you remove either of the earpieces, your music pauses for you. And plays again once you put it back on. The Momentums use the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology, and fully charged, these earphones should last you 4 hours. With the charging case, you are offered an additional 8 hours, and it only requires 90 minutes to fully charge the battery case, so overall you get a total of about 12 hours. Size-wise, they're a little bit on the larger end, especially for someone like me with smaller ears. But with the right selection of ear tips provided, I don't have a problem with comfort or fit, and the amount of noise isolation that I get, I do really appreciate. With a fairly standard frequency range and some extension in the low end, the Momentum True Wireless offers pretty decent lows and good detail and support. The bass is smooth, but delivers impact that never seems too sloppy. The mids show off great clarity and precision, so detailed that it may even seem slightly forward sometimes. The mid-range is full and well developed, and vocals really do come alive and instruments sound great. Now, the highs are really where the MTWs excel with sparkling extension and a ton of detail that remains well balanced but never too bright or uncomfortable. The high end does justice for any track you listen to, sounding colorful and robust. Most in-ear wireless headphones aren't adequate in regards to delivering a true sense of soundstage, but this is also where fit of the ear tips are crucial to enhance soundscape. Compared to many Bluetooth IEMs, placement seems slightly better and there's a good sense of depth without bleeding among different instruments or vocalists. If you guys were enlightened by this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, definitely subscribe to the channel. And any questions or comments you have, leave it down below. And I'll see you guys in the next review.